Hello everyone, today I will show you how to check touch sensitivity on iPhone, and here's how it is done. First, I recommend downloading a simple app to test the touchscreen. Go to the App Store and search for Touchscreen Test. Download the first app you see. Open it up, and you can test for any touchscreen issues. When you tap, it should change colors, and the number of touches and XY coordinates will update. You can also tap and hold to move your finger around, and you will track the coordinates until you lift your finger, confirming the touch. If you find the sensitivity isn't to your liking, you can adjust it. Go to your settings, scroll down, and tap on Accessibility. Under the Physical and Motor section, select Touch. Here, you can enable touch accommodations if you need to change how your screen responds. You can adjust the hold duration, which determines how long you must touch and hold the screen for it to register a touch. If it feels too sensitive, you can increase this duration to, say, 3 seconds. You can also choose to ignore repeated taps if you open tap multiple times quickly. Additionally, there's a tap assistance option that lets you choose between using the first or last touch if you are touching multiple areas rapidly. If you want to return to the default settings, just turn off all these options and your iPhone will revert to its original touch sensitivity. That is everything you need to know about how to check touch sensitivity on iPhone. Before we end, may I humbly ask you a favor? Please do like, share, and subscribe to our channel. This means the world to us. Thank you so much for watching. We hope to see you in our next video.